And breaking news just coming in during Tradicia's report. The National Weather Service has now confirmed a tornado in northern Mecklenburg County as an EF0 tornado. The tornado had 85-mile-an-hour winds and was no more than 50 yards wide. Let's go ahead and bring in Chris Mulcahy with more on this. So Chris, we knew it was powerful storms moving through last night. This confirms that.
Yeah, and if you lived in northern Mecklenburg County, at one point you were under a tornado warning, so this all does verify. A wind sustained at about 85 miles per hour, that's the upper tier of an EF0. As soon as you get up to that 85 to 90, then we're talking about an EF1. So this is a strong EF0, and it would be right in here where you saw a tremendous amount of tree damage. There was a decent amount of rotation. Now, also only being 50 meters wide or 50 yards wide, that really represents a typical spin-up tornado, usually not super large. They don't last too long, and that's exactly what happened here. We'll have the exact path and then the destination that it took coming up here in the next half hour. But here's a loop of from about 3 to 7 o'clock of all the wind damage that we saw across the area. This is one of the most active wind damage storms that we've had in about 20 years, according to our local National Weather Service office from Greenville, Spartanburg. We're just dealing with some clouds today. Luckily, we're going to have a break. Nice mix of cloud and sunshine expected for the afternoon. No chances for rain. I think we're too dry for that, so enjoy the sunshine. Already up to 83 degrees right now, and we'll reach the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees through the afternoon. Our dew points, though, are going to be trending up after today. Today is actually the best feeling day. It's still humid, don't get me wrong. You're not going to notice a big difference there, but it starts to become overly muggy, kind of the unbearable air you can wear as we work our way into the weekend. That's also going to up our heat index close to 100 degrees again. That's why it only feels about 2 to 3 degrees warmer than the actual temperature today. That's why I made today our pick of the week. It's the best feeling day, upper 80s with a nice mix of cloud and sunshine. Enjoy. It's also a bonus that we're storm free, but coming up, we'll talk about our next severe weather potential. That'll be on Thursday when you have the best chance to be weather aware.